Photography ideas. Here you can find more about photography ideas in terms of how to perform like a pro by applying various concepts in different types of photography like portrait, macro, landscape, black and white, shadow compositions, etc.
Lens. While in the updating world, choosing the best lens for your camera or mobile becomes a little bit confusing if you have no idea about which lens compatible in all segments like price and specifications and output quality. Get the best lens by exploring the lens category. For more detailed information at photographids.in.
Mobiles camera reviews. Best camera reviews regarding flagship and budget mobiles. In terms of camera, you can find more about dedicated camera mobile reviews which are in trending, as well as DSLR camera reviews comparing with specs and price segments.
Editing. Editing gives an outlook for photo or image. This editing part is rocket science for beginners, and we make it easier with a step-by-step guide and provide single-click presets, which turns your image with different perspectives of colors and stands like an eye-catching image.
Featured graphers. To be a photographer, you need to be a consistent learner. So we keep you always in motivation mode by sharing the photographers' successful stories or biographies of those who are grinding themselves to be top-end professional photographers in their journey. This featured graphers section brings you an abundance of enthusiasm for clicking awesome pictures by learning everything from experts or photopreneurs.
Photography on internet. Infinity things are happening on the internet, and photography taken 71.3% base, where all the photos, ideas are appearing every day on social media platforms. We share and feature the persons who are posts creative best photos with ideas, and we also share the photos and ideas with credits by explaining a brief description, which you can apply or experiment with that idea in the same manner with a different concept or perspective.
Hi, I'm Azad, founder of photographids.in and passionate macro photographer, as well as I specialized in other kinds of mobile photography like portrait, landscape, wide angle, and flat lay. Passionate photographer by heart and a blogger by the mind. And I dives every day to discover more ideas for photography. My eyes turned like cameras with great perspective visuals with 576 megapixels when I began photography in 2016.
Co-founder of photographideas.in. The digital Shamshu, the youngest digital marketer and web developer, the SEO expert, and blogger. He writes blogs that rank on Google in less than 7 days with his SEO expertise.